Till now we completed XML Publisher development and registration. Now second one is same only. So first one here is by using data template. This RDA page. Same thing. Same steps, almost similar, but little difference will be there. That is by using RDF reports. Okay, RDF reports you can access from here. You can see a builder here. This is a builder, Oracle reports builder. Cancel. You need to connect initially. Control J is a shortcut key. Apps, VIS. Then after that, there is, I told you, right, data model and layout model. Two things required here. So in data model will have a query in the form of SQL. So same SQL statement, whatever we had in the data template, we'll take it. Open this. So here is the place. This query. Same query only I'm taking. Okay, instead of developing from scratch. Take this query. Go to Toad here. Yes. So under name, I'll remove this. Output is not showing here. Yeah, this is where you can see. Overall 170 rows are there. Okay, take this query, go to report builder and keep it here. That's it. Now layout model is no need to create here because we are going to create from XML Publisher here. So first save this file, save as, like there is a RDF. So RDF stands for here is report definition file it is. And here also, like yesterday, naming conventions I told you, right? That is thing like client name, okay, then followed by your module name, and then supplier. Suppliers. I'm doing like this. It has three parts here. I can save it in here. So after that, there are some steps yesterday we have seen, correct? If you remember. This is on. Copy this file instead of this. You can keep it over here. So these steps. Just check once again. Instead of coming here and there, we'll continue. First executable, concurrent program, request loop. These three, if you remember, then these are all not required. It's already there, correct? So now first step is what it is? Executable. So executable we can access into a responsibility. That is system administrator. Then concurrent program executable. So here is the place. Method is Oracle reports only. And file name is whatever the file name which you have saved here. But right now this is into local machine. It is this RDF. We have to keep it into server here. Okay, without the extension. If you try to give extension, it will give an error saying that please enter a name that does not contain a period, space or period, whatever it is. Remove it. So execution file name only I'm giving here. Name also. Application name is variables. Description save. So this is about executable. Okay, compared to yesterday we have seen HDODTXE, right? That is another style, but this is another method it is. We are using Oracle reports method, XML Publisher. This is a different style it is. Go to definition now. Initially, we have to attach the executable which you created just before. And then this also XML and style for anything you can take. Short name, and application name, variables. Concurrent program name is you have to give your it is visible to user. Report number 3, suppliers report. Like this you have to give always. Okay. Copy. Some people, let's see how they have given program naming conventions. See, it's not correct, right? You should not give like this. If someone has given 9966, some people given extension. So in the practice also you should not see ABC. What is this? It's not good. Okay. Follow proper naming conventions. These are all wrong only. It's a server some other people are practicing. I'm just pressing down arrow to see all this. That's fine. These are all standard reports. Okay. So first step, what I did is create RDF. The second one is executable, correct? Third one is here. Fourth is attach program to the request. What is request group? If I ask you, request group. Yeah, we'll attach to a responsibility. And what request group contains? It contains all the concurrent programs, security, responsibility, then request. Your request group name is reports. All the reports like this. First client name, then these are proper naming conventions. Save.
But I was not getting this. What mistake I have done, I don't know.
This program you are not getting?
Yeah.
You have to save that. Whenever you create a concurrent program, you need to save it.
Yeah, I saved that, but description name automatically it will come, right?
Which description?
Above one, yeah.
So this is, it's a common only. It's a single.
Yeah, but that also not coming actually.
Maybe you pressed like this, simply all reports.
Okay.
So these are all different purchasing, quality, cash,
Yeah.
like that. So whenever you are querying, definitely you have to give your payables. If you miss, then you will not be able to see that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will try. If I again, if I will not get, then I will just send you the screenshot.
Okay, sure. Now go to payables. Submit. No. it is going to give error. The reason is actually we have to move the file into server. Right now your file is located in your local machine desktop. We have to keep into server. So that server path also your system only will give you. See, it's going to give an error. The reason is your system is not able to find out. It cannot read the file. It cannot read the file in this particular path. So you have to go to this particular path. Your system path also it is giving. Copy this path. Okay. Now go to Win SAP here. This Win SAP. It's a file transfer protocol. Open this and your host name, username, password you have to give here. So host name is your server name only. apps.volc.com. Application manager. Again, application manager. Plan yes. So just Control O, which is used to open a directory. Control O. Then paste it. Okay. So that you can go to this particular directory. You have to keep this file in this particular directory. You don't need to by heart this. So from this system only you can copy paste. This way. Okay. Now what you need to do? Yes, copy the file. Go to desktop. Changed. Your RDF file it is. Some date is wrong here. That's why it is not able to. Check RDF extension. Yes. Yeah, you can see here. You keep this. Now it must have a read write privileges. Like this, see, these are all read write executable. Give a right click. You have to give your properties. These are all we need to enable manually. See, instead of enabling all this manually, you can straight away give 777 here. 777 privileges means you can read this file and you can write, you can execute this. You can see here R, W, and X. Read, write, and executable it is. Now, if you submit this file, you will not be able to see any error here. Now, if you click on view output, you will be able to see the XML tags. Okay, like this. So if you minimize it also, you will be able to minimize here. Now, your next step will be here. Save as XML and then your file name. Okay. You can take. This, you no need to follow the naming convention in this. Suppliers, because it is your local machine file. Okay. Include double quotes here. Save. Now, as of now, data model is over here. As to fifth one here is submit from responsibility. And sixth here is what it is. Save as .xml file. We are here exactly. Correct. Till now, these are all comes under data model. Okay. Now, next step here is what it is. Layout model. So under a layout model, we are going to create here RTF. Correct. How to design RTF? Like yesterday you have done same steps. Your Word document. Yes. Correct. Add-ins. Next, you have to tell me. Data. Perfect. Load XML data. This one, right? Next step. Okay. No, all fields I advised you, right? Not to go. Not field. It is table slash form. Then after that, wizard. You may say multiple groups, but I tell it is single. Okay. Next. So move all the fields. Okay. We can rearrange also here. Choose the fields by using these buttons. You can rearrange the positions. Next. Next flow, just 1 second, please. Is that clear, guys? We lost the network connectivity. Okay. So we'll go here and then next, finish. That's it. Your layout is ready here. So F stands for here is for each. It's like a group, okay? For each operating unit, these many fields has to repeat it here. And this one is end for each it is. For each and end for each. Okay. Now preview PDF. Save. So this is the way it's displaying the output. Clear? Now there are two more steps pending. What are they? Yesterday you have already followed, right? And this template we need to upload into server, right? In the XML Publisher administrator, correct? Just not to also. Server issue it seems. We just before created RTF. Now next is create data definition followed by create template. And 10th one is submit from responsibility. So overall, 3 more steps are pending here. Okay. So while creating a data definition, you need to make sure here there is a concurrent program short name, correct? The short name is equivalent to your data definition code. Both
Sure.
must match here. Both must match here. Otherwise, it will not be able to pick up a layout. So many people will stuck here only. Okay. What you need to do? Take this short name of a program. Go to system administrator. This is the short name. Okay. Sometimes I'm moving fastly because you are habituated with the screens now. Now go to XML Publisher. The first one here is data definition. So what is the difference between RDF based and data template based is in the data template based, first step is data definition we created. But in the RDF, almost at last, data definition, create data definition. So this is the point I'm telling about. Okay. What is that point? The point here is concurrent program short name exactly which is equal to data definition code it is. This is a join between concurrent program and XML publisher is same. Usually we are giving same. If you enter the code into the small letter, also it will not match. It's a case sensitive. Apply. So this is not required right now because we are following RDF based, not data template based it is. Now next is template. Create template. You can click on this. Should be cautious whatever you are giving your RTFs. Wrong templates if you give, then you will stuck here. Apply. Okay. So this RTF you can download a number of times and you can update, modify. Then last step in this is submit from responsibility. Go to your payables. Alt VR and O, right? Not this one. Our report is third report. So this is picking up a layout here. No, find. The output. You can see I'm pressing control button here till it opens. That is the internet settings actually. So somewhere you can see these settings file and settings somewhere internet settings you can see. Usually DBS has to do that. Tools, internet options and all. Right now, okay. This is the output. Clear? Okay. What are the differences you found in RDF as well as data template in the steps? Executable, correct? In case of a data template, executable you have taken as a XDO DTEXE, but in this case it is Oracle report only. And what else? That's it. Everything is same, correct? Only that executable only different, right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah, parameter. Yeah, right now, if you want to add here, what you can do, you can go to data model, and here is a place you can add. Okay, So the moment you add here parameter, so it is asking now. It is asking to create. The query one has created a bind parameter here. So click on OK. Now move this to server. Yeah, window, object navigator. This is a parameter. F4. Take this parameter and go to application. Here, system administrator. Sorry. Parameter. Parameter is your value set. Even if it is not that much lengthy, 100 characters also you can take it. Okay. These are all just list of values. And under a token field, what you can do, you can take this field. So here we modified the RDA, but we have not moved to the server. Okay. That we have to do here. Before moving it, we have to refresh it. Refresh. Check where it is exactly. This one, right? Kingley API suppliers. Move. Yes to all, so that you can see it has a bind parameter. Got it? Save. Now go to your responsibility. It came up automatically. Parameters. Okay. And it will run based on a parameter. That's called as a bind parameter. There is a lexical parameter also. Slowly we'll discuss. Only G plastics data only it is coming now. Earlier, we have got all the records. So that is the significance of parameters. So are you guys okay with the steps? One is data template based, other one is RDA based. So one more PLSQL based also there, that little package oriented. You may not like it. We'll see later, maybe after a few days. PLSQL based. You don't have a coding fear? I'll tell you right away. PLSQL, you know, as of now, no? Then better, we'll see later. Okay. Meantime, just
Anyone taking PLSQL class?
no, PLSQL, SQL, these are all prerequisite for Oracle applications. I'll give you 5-6 videos, just go through it, okay? You will come
Sure,
to
sure. Actually, I know SQL, but PLSQL, I'm not sure.
yeah, PLSQL is easy compared to SQL. We'll do error handling and then we'll
Okay.
call repetitively, okay? I'll
Okay.
give you some videos, just go through a
Sure.
video, every day one video, you'll get an
Okay. Okay, fine.
okay. Next point here is output post processor. This terminology and all you have to go through repetitively. In the short form, we will call it as an OPP. It is okay. Output post processor. Let's say we are having some issue in this syntactically. So I'm removing this. Syntactically, it is not correct here. Okay. Now you need to upload this RTF into the server. So I'm modifying the server layout here. So as of now, RTF is there in the server, which is correct only, but I'm going to replace with the wrong one it is. If you replace with the wrong one, what will happen? Apply. Now submit from server. It is going to end as a warning here. So it is a warning. And warning, as well as if you open output here, you will see only XML tags. Unlike this, if you open previous output, you will see the output here like this. It is showing output here. The only problem with the current output it is correct. Go to application. Current output is saying here completed and warning. And if you click on view output, also it is giving only tags not related to RTF. So RTF related issues we can access through OPP here. Output post processor. Where it will be available here is you can go to system administrator. And here is the place concurrent manager administer here. So as of now we went through concurrent program define, these are all right, but right now concurrent manager administer, this is the navigation here. Click on this. So this is the one, output post processor processes manager log. So here is the place you need to search with your template like Kingly. See, it's there here. Like this. Dates you have to observe properly. Under this, there is a cost by section here. Cost by. You can check somewhere. Can you see it? Cost by section. Under this, it is clearly saying there is an issue. Namespace prefix for each used but not declared. So the problem with the syntax. Clearly it is saying. Okay. So if your RTF is having an issue, then you can come to your output post processor. So can you repeat the navigation here? Concurrent manager administer output post processor processes right manager log. This navigation you need to remember. At least OPP you have to remember. And how we can identify? It's a big file, very big file it is. So how we can search? By using a template code. This is a template code, see? Okay. By using a template code, you can search under one section. The section name here is called as caused by. Okay. Now, some stabilized projects, see, some projects are running since decade, more than decade. So at that time, they will not give you access of system administrator. Some banking projects and all for security reasons. Once project is stabilized, they will not give you system administrator. Then we have other alternative, that is backend tables we have to use. So the table name here is conc pp actions. This is a table name where concurrent request ID this is a request. Action type is also 6 years. 6 is for OPP. So if you click on here, concurrent manager administrator, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's an action type here. That's right. You don't need to give explicitly, but action type is 6 here. Okay. Now, if you look at in this, everything it is giving here. Yours is RTF file, and this is an output. Language is English, and this United States is a territory, and this is a template code, and this is the application short name. SQL AP is application short name. How we can identify here is you can go to here only application, in this only system administrator, application, and then register. Application and register. So here is the place, payables. This is a short name. And in the same way for XML Publisher. XML Publisher short name is XDO. For receivables, can you guess what will be short name? Account receivable. For inventory, INV. For order management, yeah, wrong it is. That's why you have to check once. It is ONT. Okay. But for cash management, CE it is. As for your guess, it must be CM, right? But it is C. Okay. So are you okay with this output post processor? Now this table, it is not only enough actually. In this, there is a processor ID, is there right? That we have to give join with the Oracle process ID. So one more table is required here. FCP, and then one more table, FND concurrent requests. This is the table. FCP dot processor ID, that is equivalent to Oracle process ID. It is giving wrong, correct? What I will do, if I miss any join, just put into Google, okay? Or else I can get from my notes. Sometimes you may not remember. FND and PP actions. Okay, the table itself is different. FND concurrent processes. We have selected some other table by mistake. Okay, concurrent request is different. What I will do, I'll just copy paste. Okay, request ID only I'll change. This is a request ID. And this condition is not required. This is the path. So your log file path will be available into this particular path. Till here you will copy, because you may not open this file. Copy this file. Go to WinSCP. Check the file name 28997, right? At last, check 28997. Better go with the date. Is that correct? Now open this. So this is a file. The whole file is there here, physically stored. So the same file output we have seen into OPP. Go to concurrent manager administer. whatever you are seeing here in the manager log, this file, the whole file, which is stored physically in this particular path. Okay. If you don't have access, no worries. We have a best option finding out in the back entities. This is a PLSQL, SQL, I can say. Clear? If it is a front end, you can easily go by this navigation. If you don't have access, then first find out the path here, then go to WinSCP and then open this file so that you can come to know. Same here also same like this. And under this, you can check into cost by section here. This one. Are you okay with this? It's an alternative. Do you remember the table names? Whatever we typed just before? Since 1 hour over, right? You need to remember these tables. Even I forgot actually. FND, conc PP actions, and FND concurrent processes. Concurrent processes. This table I forgot actually. I'll give you 10 minutes break. Okay, is that okay? Because almost 1 hour over, right? You are not able to concentrate.
Yes, Madhu.
Yeah. So I'll put you message in the group whenever I am ready. Maybe 15 minutes you can take out. Okay, relax.
Oh.